This thing wouldn't get started if it wasn't for Kaylee. God dang. He's a little smoky, like always. Yeah. A little smoky, huh?
A little bit.
Oh my gosh. This is Drew's TDI. It has a little exhaust tip. Look at Drew's little exhaust tip. That's kind of cool. Logan's new van is here. He got another one. Well, kind of.
The one from Texas?
Yeah, he got a body.
I was like, when?
No.
What?
He got it delivered.
Like we did that one time.
Yeah.
We were like,
Sick motor and trans. I think it has an LS. But this side has no rust. It's super clean.
it's just me.
And then it also has that little step for like handicapped people. AKA me. I have asthma. The 2020 actually looks kind of cool with one headlight. Sick gas. If you drop something. Maybe he meant to do that.
Hey, check this out.
It's nice?
Extendo.
Oh man. I still hate those mirrors. They are ugly. Another trick.
My new truck.
This is yours?
They go in.
Oh.
And extend. While they're
Wait, why would it have to extend while it's...
I don't know, you tell me.
I'm not the GMC. This ain't my truck.
GMC? What the fuck are you talking about?
This is a GMC. Are you dumb? Come here. What does that say right there? GMC.
No, it don't. It says Sierra.
No.
Hey, whatever you do, don't drop it.
Whatever you do, drop it.
No, don't drop it.
Drop it.
Don't.
Drop it.
Don't.
Drop it.
Hey, you want me to drop it?
Drop it?
No, let's not do that.
Yeah, we should probably just
Fix it.
drop. Yeah, I don't want to fix it.
We're shipping on after.
Yeah, let's not do that. He just broke the axle.
Garage door.
Go get the garage door. Run!
Me?
Go!
You get it.
Go!
Ready for the next system on the Texas plate on the back.
Nice.
Come on, man. You're taking up our space.
Now we get the stripping.
battery's dead.
A bullet? Oh. That's your new whip?
This is the new whip. A bullet.
The bullet. So Kaylee just finished up these axles right here. She's been grinding all day. Got both of them all stripped and all smoothed out real nice.
Yeah, I do all of the work for Gabe's trucks.
Yeah.
Saves him time.
Yeah. I get to take naps while she gets everything ready. So now we're gonna put
It's all me.
weld on some axle trusses tomorrow. Who's gonna be welding
Logan's
those?
not fabricating the lift. I am.
Yeah, it's actually Kaylee 60 Fab.
Yeah.
If you guys are wondering.
Kaylee's
Kaylee's Yak Attack 60 Fab. Yak Attack 60 Fab?
Yeah. Pretty good work, I think.
I'm actually pretty impressed.
It took me 30 minutes to do both.
30 minutes?
Hmm?
I thought it was like 3 hours.
30 minutes.
Oh, what were you doing for the rest of the time?
Getting paid hourly.
These axles took so long, it started snowing, and we live in Antarctica now.
It was a literal blizzard when I went to go get the boys food, and I hate snow, and then they made me drive.
Walking in a winter wonderland. I can't even film, there's so much freaking steam everywhere. Ah, my name's too long, god dang it. Well, you get the point. Mason thought that, what do you think, it was in limp mode?
Yeah.
Yeah, his exhaust just fall off.
Exhaust ain't even on. Listen to it.
I'm not an expert, but I'm pretty sure that sounds busted. Rev it up a little bit.
Pop your hood.
Pop the hood!
It limped out. I'm telling you.
I think you just blew the downpipe off.
Actually, shut it off for a second.
Should I show them your new truck?
No. You want to pick me up?
Zoom in.
Okay, zooming in.
Kaylee's truck did a great burnout. Well, that ain't good. Do you want to win a brand new 700 horsepower Ford Raptor? Of course you do. So go to InChainDesigns.com, go to my tab, get yourself some Gabe Farrell Productions merch. From right now until December 19th, every $5 you spend gets you 10 times the entries to win that Ford Raptor. It's a no-brainer, guys, so get yourself some merch and good luck on the giveaway. How'd I do?
Damn, dude. Hey, this last week of me teaching you how to weld has been doing pretty good.
Yeah, I think I did
It's
alright.
about as good as mine.